welcome back to my Grateful Playing Cards. And today I'm going to get started on day 8, and I already put a little bit of paint down, and I'm going to go ahead and do my background. And I already used my sanding block to rough up the card so that things adhere a lot better to it. Go on to the next step. Alright, so I have these cars. They're vintage cars that I picked up at a garage sale, gosh, a long time ago, and they're very old. They've actually lost the adhesive backing. That's how old they are. So I'm going to use a glue stick to glue this one down. Okay, so now I have my image down, and I am grateful for transportation, because without it, I wouldn't get very far. And here in the United States, at least where most places I've lived, we haven't had a very good bus system, and so and things aren't exactly within walking distance. So it's nice to be able to have a car. So I am grateful for transportation, because without it, I wouldn't get very far. So I've printed out on my Dymo label maker my saying, and now I'm going to go ahead and adhere it down to my card. So there you have it. So I hope that you enjoyed day 8 of my Grateful Playing Cards, and that you'll come back and visit. And thanks again for watching, and I shall see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.